Welcome, today I'm showing how to customize a quick launch into XIAOMI Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. Firstly, open settings, scroll down and find additional settings option, this one. Here go into against the shortcuts option, and this block it's our quick launch. So first option it's launch Google Assistant, go into this option, press and hold the power key for half seconds to activate our Google Assistant. So before start using Google Assistant, tap start using, and let's try press and hold, and our Google Assistant is on. Go back for save and choose another option, maybe launch camera. Okay, here we got two options, when screen is blocked and unlocked. So activate this same option, go back and go maybe turn on touch, and here we got the same option like launch camera, so activate this option now and let's see that what happened. Okay, we got message, double press the power key is used for launch camera, replaced or not. If we tap replace, we activate this option, turn on touch. If we tap cancel, we activate open camera. So I wanna activate open camera, so tap cancel and go back. And you can customize your quick launch. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.